She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be a simple, pretty much one pot meal that you're able to whip up any time of the week. This recipe is called Italian sausage pasta. So again, this is pretty much a quick and simple recipe. As it says, it's pretty much Italian sausage. We've got some delicious mushrooms, then some spinach, some olive oil, some pasta, preferably the bow tie if you do have that, some garlic, some pizza sauce or marinara sauce, some crushed red pepper, and Italian seasoning. So this is going to be a one-pot meal, guys, so that means it's going to be quick, easy, and the cleanup will also be quick and easy. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share the video out. Appreciate that, guys, so much. Thank you. And if you still have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down, better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you.
Alright, you guys, so this is the Italian sausage pasta. In this case, we used Italian sausage, mushrooms, some spinach. You can go ahead and make any kind of variations you like. Definitely give this one a try, guys. It's super easy and super tasty. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this flavorful meal today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share the video out. Appreciate that. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.